Hey guys, Jeff with Westsky Designs. So we lifted this truck. It's got our new Westsky Designs preload collar lift in the front, and then our spacer on the coil spring in the back. A couple guys had asked, and I see some people comment, hey, it looks like it's not lifted very much. Well, we're going to use this as a good reference point, so you can see we've lifted it now, and you can see with the stock tires on, it is lifted quite high. It's lifted actually from our calculations, or not calculations, but from our measurements, it's lifted exactly 3 inches in the front. So 3-inch lift there in the front with the stock wheels and tires still on it. And then in the back here, it was 24 in the back, and now it's 24 3/4. It's not quite 1 inch in the back, and the reason for that is because obviously we don't want to limit the travel, the suspension. We still want it to have full droop. Our whole thing is yes, we want to make the best lift possible for these trucks, but we also in mind, we don't want to lift this truck as high as we can. It's all about keeping the ride quality, and so that's what our lift is really built around, is super high quality parts, and then on top of the high quality parts is the quality ride that you're going to get with it. So what we've done is, obviously all these measurements are taken from the center of the axle here to the bottom edge of the wheel well all the way around on this truck. So we've done this. We wanted to show you how high it does sit. It is level from front to back pretty much. It's actually a 1/4 inch lower in the front. You can see from 24 3/4 and 24 1/2. So it is. I know someone say, hey, it looks like it's taller in the front. No, facts are facts, numbers are numbers, and it is a 1/4 inch lower in the front of this truck. We are going to do another video here for you shortly. We are going to mount a couple different variations of the stock wheels and tires, or excuse me, not tires, but the factory wheels with the factory offset. And we're going to do a couple different combinations on this to show you what you can run as far as tire size on your stock wheels and still have the clearance that you're looking for. A lot of guys say, hey, can I run this tire? Can I run that tire? Well, we're going to find out here, and we're going to do that for you and give you an idea on what you need to do if you decide to run a more aggressive tire or non-aggressive tire, and how they fit and clearancing and stuff like that to help you with some of your homework. So anyways, we hope you enjoy it. Please watch our next couple videos. It's going to be on this truck in different variations, so we are going to share that with you, and you let us know what you think and what you'd like to see, and we will try to help you out in any way we can. Thanks again. Bye-bye.